Hey, what's up, guys? Carlos here with Bulls of Crypto. Today's review will be another market review request. Shout out to TB. We will be looking at IOTX, which is basically Internet of Things for the crypto space. I'm actually excited for this review. I'm a huge believer in tech, and anything IoT is a good investment in the long term. So shout out again to TB for bringing this up. So looking at this at a glance, I do see this area here. I do apologize. I do see this area down here. I don't see that they have broken this area just yet. And the reason why I feel that they're going to continue to run in this area is because overall, I feel like this whole area that is painting out at the moment is really just going to be a huge consolidation area in the long term. So the almost that penny area, so the 0.95 area, all the way down to the 0.001 area, 0.00125. Uh, Bigger picture to me looks like a huge consolidation phase. So we still haven't even broken out of that consolidation area yet. We may reach this high of 2018, but at the moment, we still haven't broken out of that area. I do feel that this is just going to be consolidation. The continuing to the upside to me is just imminent. And then we do have on the RSI, we have, of course, you already know, I love looking for the inverted head and shoulder, especially when we're in an uptrend. That to me is going to be one of the main patterns to look for. And then if you're in a downtrend in a bear market, we're going to look for uh, the head and shoulder, which is going to be basically the reversal side of this. So next year, when we're in the bear market, we'll probably be looking more for bearish moves until the continuation to the upside. But this is the inverted head and shoulder that I'm starting to see play out here. At the moment, we are still above the 50 RSI. So again, that's always going to signify, for the most part, that we will be still in an uptrend. I personally like to see them come close to the 50 RSI, sometimes even trap, create what's formed a W pattern for those that trade the W bottoms, M tops. They're basically setups of when the bulls, the bears, the market makers, powers that be, whoever it is that moves the markets, when they fail to hit the highs and the lows for a second, or sometimes even a fourth time or a third time. Sometimes on one leg, they'll hit three times. And on the second leg, they fail to break one time and it's just a straightaway trade, or they'll create a safety trade and hit two times, or sometimes they'll do another triple bottom and hit three times. So you can have three, six moves to the low. You just have to know exactly what you're looking for, and vice versa. You could have three, six moves to the high, but you have to know what you're looking for. So you want to have a confluence of events line up that will basically tell you where one your trend is going to be. You always want to look for the trend. You don't want to take any counter trend trades. I'm not a fan of the counter trend trades unless they're pullbacks. But for the most part, I like to trade with the trend. It's just easier. They say the trend is your friend. The trend can mess you up sometimes because the charts can paint something that's not there. It's what it's designed to do. But for the most part, if you trade in line with the trend, you should be fine. Right now, we are in a bull market. So statistically, anything that you take, as long as it's a good entry, you should be fine. We may have pullbacks, even these are yearly moves right now, guys. So even if you're in drawdown for a month, just hold it. You still own the coin. That's the beauty of this. You still own the coin. So if it goes down to zero, it's going to grow in value eventually. You're going to own the coin. It's yours. It's still going to explode in value. Happened to me when I bought Cardano in 2017. My portfolio basically went down to zero. I didn't know anything about trading in 2017. I just jumped in. I was part of that crypto hype that was happening at the moment. I was like, oh my God, I'm excited. This is so cool. But that sparked something in me of wanting to learn these markets. I understood that these markets were manipulated. I understood even then that they caused FOMO, they caused fear of missing out. And that's what I got jammed up in. And I just knew. I was like, man, there's something behind this. So now that I've been studying these markets for the past 3 years, able to kind of see these moves and able to see what happens when patterns and news and timing lines up. It's all just a perfect combination for these moves, guys. So that's why I say we're still early in this space. It's history's just writing itself. It's not repeating, it's writing itself. We're going through a revolutionary era almost right now with tech, guys. This is going to be huge. I again, I put my money behind tech before I put it behind a dollar. If you look at the US stock, some of the best stock companies are tech companies, guys. And a lot of businesses, a lot of organizations, different companies have been integrating blockchain technology since Bitcoin pretty much came out. A lot of these companies have been testing blockchain since the 2012, 2013 ish time frame. So they've had 8 years to already test these things. Shell gas station has been involved in blockchain for a minute now, guys. So there's a lot of space companies that are involved in blockchain. So I'm sorry, but I feel success leaves clues. I want to follow the money. If big investors are investing in blockchain, why not us small investors get a piece and hopefully build generation wealth with this? So, guys, again, I appreciate every single person watching, every single subscriber. I can't believe we've hit almost 500 subscribers in almost 2 months of posting, guys. I appreciate every single person for smashing that subscribe button, turning on their notifications, clicking that bell so they don't miss a single update. But guys, help us get to 500. Please, please, please share. We're just missing a couple just to get to 500, guys. So please help us get to 500. And we will be working, or we are working on some merch. So top commentators, top requesters, top individuals that interact will be eligible for merch. And if you want to be eligible for free merch drops, you have to click on the website, provide your email. On the back end, we're putting notes on accounts for early subscribers. If you qualify, we're putting a note back there to send free merch. So, guys, make sure to add your email address, subscribe to our email. We will be launching the website real soon. We will have merch coming out real soon. We have a lot of plans for the brand, for Bulls of Crypto in general. So, those that have been riding with us early, you guys, you will benefit from this. I promise. I got so many things planned for you guys. It's exciting, and again, this is all just a token of appreciation from us. Like, we really appreciate everyone tuning in. So, guys, again, if you have any projects you want reviewed, drop them in the comments. Make sure to smash that subscribe. Make sure to turn on that bell. Turn on your notifications. Make sure to comment, like, again, subscribe, share with a friend. All right, guys. Until next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.